Okay, guys, so now we are going to move here in file number 3, LangChain underscore LangGraph agent for beginner. Okay, LangChain LangGraph agent underscore beginner .ipyinv file. Okay, so this is our file LangChain LangGraph agent and tool for beginner. Okay, so this notebook is simple for beginner project. Okay, that show how to build an AI agent using LangChain. Okay, this one LangChain, Grok LLM, custom tool, and React region plus Act framework. Okay, so let me help you to understand this. Okay, so what this project is about? This project demonstrate how to turn a normal language model into an agent. Okay, that can think and use tool. Instead of just chatting, the model can perform the calculation and process text and decide which tool to use and give the structure answer. Okay, key idea about this, no, we have normally an LLM. Okay, only generate the text. LLM only generate the text normally. Okay, with the LangGraph agent, the LLM can think. Okay, LLM can think and choose the tool. Okay, LLM can think and choose the tool and act and respond. LLM can think, LLM can choose the tool and act and response here. Okay, so what is the tool? Tool just a normal Python function that the AI is allowed to use. For example, add two numbers, count the words, search something, and call API. These are the tools, right? The tools means normal Python function, nothing else. Okay, now you can see here tool use in this notebook. Okay, so I'm going to use here additional multiplication tool and word count and text transformation. Okay, these tool help the agent perform real operation instead of guessing. Okay, what is an agent? Now, what is the agent? Agent is a system that connect everything together. It has LLM brain or tools, okay, and decision logics when to use tool. Okay, and simple idea, agent equals to AI that can think. Okay, agent equals to AI that can think and choose action plus use the tools. Okay, so agent means AI. Agent is AI that can think and choose the action and use the tools, or it can decide what kind of tools I need to use. Okay, so how agent work in real flow? So you can see here user ask 10 plus 5. Okay, agent does this. Okay, first it read the question. Agent read the question and think, this is this from math? Yeah, this is from math. Okay, choose the tool. It is going to choose add underscore number. Okay, call the tool, add number 10 5. Okay, and get the result 15 or return the answer. Okay, so here agent think can AI, agent that can think. Okay, okay, and choose the action and use the tool. Okay, now I'm going to use here React agent. Okay, so I'm going to show you what is React agent. Okay, so React stand for React, RE means reasoning, means thinking about the problem. Act means acting, using the tool to solve it. Okay, reasoning plus acting. React means reasoning plus acting. Okay, so we are going to use this. And so the agent read the question, think what is needed, use a tool if required, and return the final answer. Okay, so final goal of this notebook, by the end you will build an AI system that understand user query and use tool automatically and solve the problem step by step. Behave like a mini AI assistant. Okay, and you can see here summary. So this is the beginner friend setup to learn how modern AI agent work using LangChain and LangGraph. Okay, tool equals to a function that does work, or agent, the system that decide which tool to use and when. Okay, I'm going to install this pip install -q LangChain. Okay, LangChain underscore core, LangChain hyphen core, and LangChain community, and LangChain grok. Okay, I'm going to use this, and LangGraph and DuckDuck search. Okay, and python.ini. DuckDuck search is used for internet searching. Okay, so I'm going to click here. It is going to install everything. These are the inbuilt libraries. Okay, from LangChain. Now here I'm going to import. Okay, I'm going to import .env, load.env from .env file. Okay, I have this env file. Inside this we have API key, so I'm going to load this. Okay, I'm going to load chat grok. Okay, from langchain underscore grok I'm going to import chat grok, that we can access the grok models. Okay, so here with the help of this, it is going to load the API key in the system. Okay, LLM equals to chat grok, this is the instance of LLM. Here I am going to load the LLM with the model with the help of chat grok. Okay, model name is this llama 3.1 8 billion instant. Okay, and temperature equals to 0.7. Okay, temperature will give you randomness of your output. Okay, and here I'm going to print LLM loaded. Okay, okay, so after this, okay, here I connect model. Okay, and I already passed the temperature here and print the LLM load. Okay, so now I'm going to use tools. Okay, so why we are creating tools here? Good at talking tools, good at talking, bad at doing exact operation. Okay, so example, math make mistake, word count means unreliable, and string operation inconsistent. So we can create tool, give the agent real function, it can call the instead of guessing. Okay, so my pass I already have tools. Okay, सो वी गिव द एजेंट रियल फंक्शन, इट कैन इंस्टेड ऑफ गैसिंग. तो यहाँ पर हम क्या कर रहे हैं, एजेंट को रियल फंक्शन दे रहे हैं. ठीक है, ठीक है, ताकि वो गैस ना करें और ये टूल्स यूज करें. सो यू कैन सी हियर वन बाय वन. Okay, so from LangChain underscore core dot tool, I'm going to import tool. Okay, so here in decorator I mention here tool. Okay, so I create one function is normal function, it's called the tool. Okay, so def add number, here I pass a in float and b in float. I want output in float. Okay, add two number together. Okay, return a plus b. Okay, so this is adding number. Okay, now we have another tool, that is multiplication, this one. Okay, this one is used for multiply the number. I use a and b as a parameter, both are in float and output in float. Multiply two number, here I return a and b. Okay, now we have another get word count. Okay, this is used for count the word. Okay, count the number of the word in a text. I pass here text in a string, output in an integer because I want the count. Okay, return the length of text dot split. Okay, and now we have another tools, uppercase. Okay, it is going to convert text into a uppercase. Okay, in capital letter. Okay, so return the text dot upper. Okay, now we are going to add these all. Okay, add a number, here I mention add a number, multiply number, this one, multiply number, get underscore word count, this one, and two upper use cases, this one. Okay, now I'm going to print name for t in tool. I'm going to print name of these tools. Okay, so add numbers, multiply number, get word, and two uppercase, get underscore word underscore count, and two underscore uppercase. Okay, so these are our tools. Okay, so we are creating this tools because we are giving this to the agent. Okay, so this give the agent real function. Okay, so we are giving here these real function to the agent. Okay, it can call instead of guessing. Agent now use these tools. Okay, instead of guessing. So after this, okay guys, now I've finished with tool. These are the tools. Now I'm going to create React agent. Okay, React means region plus acting. Okay, the model think about the question and decide if needed a tool, use the tool and return the final answer. Okay, it decide if need a tool or what kind of tool I need. Okay, use the tool and return the final answer. Okay, so I import from LangChain dot prebuild, import create underscore react underscore agent. Okay, so agent equals to I mentioned there react underscore, sorry, create underscore react underscore agent. I pass here LLM. This LLM, where is it? I already mentioned LLM has brain. Okay, so that's why I need to put here LLM. Without LLM, how can it generate the answer? Okay, so I put here LLM and I put here tools, these tools. Okay, as a parameter, I'm going to ask print agent create. Okay, now it is print like agent create. Okay, okay, so create react agent has been moved to the LangChain agent, please. Okay, so this is giving us warning. Okay, forget this. Okay, now you can see here I just print here agent created. Okay, and this is the agent created, and this is the agent created. Okay, now you can see here I'm going to use this. Okay, this react agent here. So response equals to Response is very well. Okay, response equals to agent. I'm going to use this agent dot invoke. Okay, invoke means asking something. Okay, I'm going to ask something in a message, and here I'm giving user message. What is 10 plus 5 and 3 into 7? Okay, and it is giving here in response. I use this response message. I want last content. Okay, so it is giving us what? So the result of the function are 15. 10 plus 10, 15. Okay, the result of the function, that is 15. 10 plus 5, 15. And 2 3 into 7 is 21. Okay, so here this is basically use math tool. Okay, what kind of tool it is going to use? Math tool. Okay, okay, it is going to use math tool. We have this one, add the number. Okay, first it is going to use these tools and add the two numbers. Okay, and then we have multiply the two numbers, then it is going to use multiply the two number, these tools. Okay, it is going to use two tools, one for add the number and second for multiply the number automatically. So the model think about the question. Okay, so it is going to think about this question and decide if need a tool. Yes, we need here tool. Okay, and then it is going to use the tool. It is use first add number tool and then multiply the two numbers tool. Okay, and then return the final answer. Okay, here it is going to think LLM. Here you can see basically LLM plus tool plus agent. Okay, LLM plus tool plus agent equals to think plus act plus answer. Okay, so here we got our answer. I hope you got it in simple English. So guys, this is our agent and tool. You can create another question and ask here. Okay. You can also remove this one. Maybe it is giving error. Yeah, error. We want last. Okay, now it is giving what is 10 plus 5 and 3 plus 7. Okay, it is giving like this. If you put 0 here, okay, if you put minus 2 here, it is giving us only 21, this one. Okay, if you print here minus 3, is it giving something or not? It is giving error. Okay, so here I need to put minus 1. It is giving last one. Okay, and you can mention here you can change the question and you can use this. Okay, now it is finished guys. I'm not going to use anything. I'm going to put 0 here. Okay, what it is giving this question. Okay, and here I use minus 1 and it is giving us this total answer. Okay, so this is also one project with the help of React agent. Okay,